Yes, good day class, good day class. I'm gonna show you guys in this video how to rig your character. That's basically adding bones to your character so you can move your character around and animate them. Okay, so it's gonna be quick. The first thing we wanna do, open up your Blender. We're gonna go to top left, edit, preferences, add-ons. Now we're gonna search in Rigify. It's built in. This is built into your Blender, so we have Rigify right here, and it's built in. So just make sure it's checked. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna press Shift A. We're gonna go to Armature, Rigify Meta Rigs, and we're gonna choose Human. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna scale this down, G, Z. All right, so let's go to Edit Mode. And we're gonna select all the bones that we don't want to animate. So I'm not gonna animate these little chest bones. Okay, so when you have your character pretty much lined up with the bones, right? What you wanna do, you wanna press N while in edit mode still, okay? You're gonna press N, you're gonna go to Tool, and you're gonna click this box right here, X-axis mirror. So make sure that's on. Now we're gonna align the bones to the body. That's why we did the X-axis mirror, so we can move everything correctly. So the character is pretty much looking like it's rigged. Let's keep it moving. Oh yeah, and in this process, I don't really have hands, like my character doesn't, but you wanna make sure these fingers and everything is connected properly to your character's hands. So now we're gonna go back into object mode. We're going to connect the bones now to the model. So I'm gonna select the mesh and I'm gonna select the bone with Shift by holding Shift, and we're gonna go to Control P, and we're going to go to bone with automatic weights. Okay. Now if we go to pose mode and we're to move one of these, RY, look, it moves. So we're gonna go back to object mode. Okay. We're gonna go to right property panels over here, and we're gonna select the data property panel. And you're gonna go scroll down till you see generate rig, and you're gonna click generate rig. Now there was an error. I think I figured out what the problem is. It kind of told me what the problem was. So I gotta completely get rid of the face here because there's things missing. And let's go down to generate rig. Now what you wanna do is just size this down to your character. Just size it down. Okay, we're gonna select the mesh, select the rig, Control P, and with automatic weights again. Now let's go back to pose mode, object, pose. So as you can see, you can get some pretty interesting rigs. See, that's the main body. All right, guys, so that is how you use the Rigify add-on in Blender. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please hit the like, and if you want to continue learning on the channel, hit the subscription, put the notification bells on, and until next time, keep learning, keep teaching. Peace.